Hey everybody, this is eSam, the virtual version of Sam Richter. The real Sam is on stage somewhere right now, but he asked me to get this one out today because it can't wait. When Google shows an AI overview, the number one search result loses about 58% of its clicks. Zero-click searches, where nobody clicks anything at all, are now running around 83%. AI overviews now show up somewhere between 25% and 60% of Google searches, depending on who's tracking it. And Google's AI mode just passed 1 billion monthly active users. That's the new front door to your business right now. The flip side is the part most people miss. Traffic coming from AI platforms grew about 796% year over year. And the people who click through from an AI answer convert at rates that blow past regular Google traffic. Your search traffic might be shrinking, but your best leads are already showing up inside these AI answers. 56% of marketing leaders made a serious GEO or Generative Engine Optimization investment in 2025. 94% are spending even more in 2026. So how did an AI engine decide which company gets named in the answer? 84% of AI citations come from earned third-party coverage. Articles and mentions where other people are talking about you. Your own site only accounts for 5 to 10% of what gets cited, and the information has to be current. Pages that sit untouched for more than 3 months are 3 times more likely to lose visibility. AI rewards the brand that keeps publishing, consistently and everywhere. This happens constantly. One person on a team writes sharp, on-brand content. The other 9 write whatever ChatGPT hands back in whatever tone that day, with none of it sounding like the same company. That inconsistency is exactly what keeps a brand out of the answer. Getting mentioned enough to matter is a whole-time job now, and it starts with everyone writing in one consistent voice. That's the gap that Write85 was built to close. It learns your company's actual voice from your real writing, and every person on your team, sales, marketing, operations, writes from that same trained voice automatically. It removes the need for prompt engineering and stops one person from carrying the brand alone. Write85 gets you 85% of the way there in your brand's own voice. Now that last 15%, the really important 15%, is your judgment, your stories. It brings you into the content. Check it out at Write85, that's WRITE 85.com, Write85.com. Hey, I hope you found this valuable. Talk to you soon.